Good morning, everyone. My name is Dan Angus. I'm a Managing Director of Capital Markets and New Listings here at Nasdaq. It's my great honor and pleasure to bring up Jeff Thomas, Senior Vice President and Head of Western Listings at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Dan. It's my great pleasure to welcome all of the Nasdaq Biotech Index constituents here today. We're excited you could join us here at the Nasdaq Entrepreneurial Center as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Many of you are here in San Francisco to attend the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference this week. It's always exciting to see the healthcare and life sciences industries convene on San Francisco in early January. Here at Nasdaq, we always look to put our own mark on the week, and this year it's an opening bell celebration for the Nasdaq Biotechnology Index, or the NBI as many of you know it. The Nasdaq Biotechnology Index is designed to track the performance of biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies listed on Nasdaq. Since 2003, the index has had a cumulative return of 634%. Now that deserves a round of applause. Along with this performance, there's been a substantial increase in the assets under management for the IBB, the iShares ETF that tracks the NBI. At the end of 2019, the IBB had assets under management of $8 billion. That capital funds the innovation of these great companies. Nasdaq continues to be the leader in healthcare listings. Nasdaq had an impressive 100% IPO win rate in biopharma in 2019 as we welcomed 55 IPOs that raised $5.6 billion in capital. Today, our bell ringers will be Helmy Eltoukhy, CEO of Guardant Health, and his co-founder, Amir Ali Talasaz, Guardant's president and COO. Guardant Healthcare had a successful Nasdaq IPO last year and is one of the most recent entrants into the Nasdaq Biotech Index during the last rebalancing in December. Their stock is up over 400% since their IPO, thanks to their great work using data to battle cancer. Now, please join me in welcoming Helmy and Amir Ali to the podium.
Thank you, Jeff. It is an honor to be here at the Nasdaq Entrepreneurial Center this morning. A little more than a year ago, Amir Ali and I stood at the podium at the Nasdaq market site in Times Square to ring the opening bell to celebrate Guardant Health's debut on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange as a newly public company. That day was an incredible milestone for Guardant, and today we are proud to be included in the Nasdaq Biotechnology Index alongside many outstanding companies that are working to improve health outcomes. When we started Guardant several years ago, we were frustrated by the slow rate of progress in healthcare, and more specifically oncology. We believe this fundamentally came down to a lack of data that was largely locked away inside tumor tissue, serving as a bottleneck to our collective understanding of how tumors grow, evolve, change over time, and especially in response to applied interventions. We believed that liquid biopsies could be at the center of transforming cancer care, serving as the driving force to unlocking this data and vastly shortening development cycles. We appreciate the support of Nasdaq and their support of the incredible growth we have experienced while in pursuit of our mission. We believe we have a unique opportunity at Guardant to continue to combat cancer across all stages of the disease and look forward to what is ahead.
It's my pleasure to present you with the opening bell crystal.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Jeff.
Please hold that up high.